Have you ever had a blurry or low quality photo that you wish you could turn into a high resolution image? If so, this tool is exactly what you need. Just go to Google, type in the name of the tool, and click on the first link. I've also added the direct link in the description for your convenience. Once you're on the website, simply upload the photo you want to enhance. After the upload, the AI will process your image. Just give it a few moments. Once it's done, you'll get a much clearer, high resolution version of your original photo. You can easily download it and use it however you like. Take a look at the results. This tool really is a game changer. Hi everyone, welcome back to Technadol. Simply click the link in the description below and head over to the Technadol platform, where everything is broken down step by step. It's all there to help you master the process with ease.